We are AimaLabs, a startup using AI for peripheral blood cell identification. We are bridging a diagnostic gap of 1.5 billion patients. In real-world contexts, 1 in 4 people are diagnosed with anemia. Initial diagnosis requires complete blood counts to tell us how many cells are present in the sample. Further diagnosis then requires a blood smear, where a blood is smeared on a slide and examined under the microscope. This tells us how the cells look and provides better and earlier detection, which can then lead to better patient outcomes. 5 complete blood counts are performed annually worldwide. 84% of these are not evaluated blood smears, even though they provide an additional 46% clinical value, creating this 1.5 billion diagnostic gap. Our goal is simple. We want to ensure no patient is left undiagnosed. Our solution is to provide an image taken from the microscope, analyzed from our AI algorithms, and provide a diagnostic insight. Compared to manual approaches, our methods are faster, standardized, and available anytime and anywhere, providing revenue opportunities for both diagnostic labs and hospitals, with more samples being utilized as well as faster sample processing. Our targets are hospitals and diagnostic laboratories, and in Greece, there are 270 hospitals and 2,000 labs that could be penetrated. The market in pathology in AI is expected to grow by 100,000 million by 2033. And there's significant room for growth, as 79% of large labs remain unpenetrated and 100% of small, medium labs remain unpenetrated. We have competitors, and compared to these, we are software focused, requiring no hardware. We prefer multimodal classification and complete cell classification, as well as being available for multi-department. Our business model will include a license fee, a per CBC cost, and a fixed cost. And our ask is 1.29 million for 3 years, where we expect to generate revenue at the end of our 3rd year. For our development timeline, we are currently at the clinical validation and prototype development phase, or TRL 4 to 5. We have started clinical studies with local hospital and obtained a letter of intent. Our team is extremely talented, small, where we are led by our CEO, co-founder, Vasily Kivlaha, who has over 35 years experience in pediatric hematology, as well as covering a wider range of expertise in software engineering by Anglos and Chris, as well as biology from myself and product advisement from Persephone. We've also been extremely lucky to be a part of a number of different accelerators, winning different funding from, for example, Pfizer, Start for Health, and now being a part of the Egg Accelerator. Thank you for your time.